Network Entertainment.
Warning! This program is created with adult consent and the content is for entertainment purposes only. Huwag nyo namang seryosohin masyado. Pero kung ayaw nyo ang ilan sa mga topics, okay lang. Please feel free to skip the episode. Baka sabihin nyo, pinilit ko kayo eh. Joke lang. Salamat! And welcome sa another episode ng Punchline with Alex Calleja, the award-winning podcast na wala pang award. Ito po si Alex Calleja. Kasama si
Isel Benobra, the comedy crew. Hello, hello, hello.
and our resident
Fact checker, mga fact checker.
Of course. Dito tayo ngayon. At bago tayo magsalita, kapakilala natin ang nag-handle ng new accounts sa BPI. Nag-handle ng new accounts sa BPI. Ganyan ang kulay ng BPI, di ba?
Ma'am, override. Pa-override, ma'am.
BPI.
BPI.
We find ways.
BPI yan.
Hindi ko kasi alam yung BPI. That's the only thing I could think of. We don't find ways.
You're in good hands with BPI.
Yun ba yan?
Metrobank yun.
Metrobank yun.
Metrobank
Ano ba yung BPI? May alam ba?
BPI, we count the islands. Hindi ko alam kung ano. BPI.
BPI, ano ba? Offline.
BPI mo.
Offline ata. Offline.
Ito, pero may tagline.
Let's make it easy.
Let's make it easy.
Ang RCBC. Wala pong tao ngayon.
Hindi kami busy. RCBC. Okay. Masaya to.
Security ba? Ang bangkong walang security guard.
Insecure ka ba? Security bank. Kung ano nangyari?
Union Bank, lagi may rally dahil may union. Easy ba tayo?
Ano ba?
Prudential Bank, meron pa pala nun.
What's a protection bank? What?
Prudential bank.
Meron pa pala nun.
Okay na.
Okay ha. Meron pang Rizal Rural Savings Bank.
Say it again 5 times.
Hindi mahirap yung rural
savings bank.
Wala tayo meron din sa Baliwag Commercial Bank.
PNB.
Oh, paluwagan lang to, pero ginawa lang opisyal.
Paluwagan na may papeles.
Ano yung paluwagan? Mara?
Borrowing money.
Hindi di ba may dalang babae sa Pegasus?
Oh my gosh.
Hindi, ano siya.
Tinignan nila ako.
Dinidefer mo yung yung pag-receive mo ng payment mo na parang dinideposit.
Paluwagan natin mabuti. Tatlo tayo.
Okay.
Meron tayong pot money.
Bastos ba to?
Hindi bastos. Yung paluwagan na isa, yung dalawang babae, yun bastos kasi. Alam mo paluwag? Yun. Pero ito, paluwagan. Halimbawa, mag-uulog tayo ng 10 piso sa araw-araw. So, 30 yun. Tapos mag-a-assign tayo.
Ako naman, tapos ikaw naman. Every week.
Araw-araw, maghulog tayo ng 10 piso. Tapos every week may susweldo. Siya susweldo.
Yung nga sinabi ko.
Kala ko di mo naintindihan eh.
Yeah, I just did. Tapos,
Ayun. Pero kala mo every week lang tayo maghulog. Pero
every week may bagong kukuha.
sweldo. Pero lagi tayo naglalagay ng 10 piso.
Okay. Say
Mahirap
next.
yun kasi pag minsan pag sumweldo sa Israel, bilang ayaw.
Mawawala
Tapos
na.
tayo ngayon. Gets mo yung
Yes.
doon nagkakaroon ng kaso sa face-to-face.
Okay.
Yung sa TV5.
Ayun yung show mo.
Yung show ko dati.
Wow, what a cross-promotion.
Hindi, wala na. Iba na ngayon yun.
Ay, iba na ay pinagpalit.
Kasi nga, parang... Yun, nandito tayo. Oy, ang ganda ng last week ha. May namin mga nagano, may mga...
Last week.
Marami nag-react.
Last
Ang dami
week.
nag-react. Ang dami nag-react
Sabi niya, uy, natupad yung ano niya. Ang galing.
Okay.
Nagkatotoo yung sinabi
Tsaka
ni
opener
Mara.
daw yung mga explanation niya.
Oo, sobrang ang dami natutunan. Tapos na-achieve ni Mara yung gusto niya. Tapos nagpapadala sila pa rin ng mga quotes.
Yun naman maganda.
Anong last quote na napadala sa'yo?
Yung quotation naman yung sa lababo.
Sa lababo, magkano inabot?
12.5 pa rin yung isa.
12.5 pa rin ng babo?
Aluminum na raw eh.
Nalito ka na.
I don't know if it's a joke. I don't know. Labubu.
Hindi labubu.
Di ba tinamay yung quotation kung magkano gagastos
Yes.
yan?
Bakit lababo?
Kasi nga, nangihingi kami ng quote. Ang joke doon, Ay! Ang joke doon,
Bakit lababo?
Hindi, kasi-
Bakit quotation ni kotse, bahay? Bakit lababo?
lababo, papagawa niya yung lababo.
Papagawa,
Diba? May
oo.
quotation yun sa magagawa.
Yung mga tubero, construction.
Ba't naman kasi lababo pag ginawa mo?
Sorry, okay na. So, okay, bahay.
Bahay na lang para hindi.
May nagpapa-quotation ng lababo?
Meron! Kasi lalagyan ng tubo yun. Kailangan mo ng tubero.
May tulo po ba? May tulo po ba yung lababo nyo? Anong bahala dyan?
Ba't ganun, no?
Yung lababo nga may tulo.
Hindi ako Yung lababo.
Ganun. Di ba sa ibang bansa, sa American plumber.
Plumber.
Tapos lagi siyang porn na pagka may plumber, tapos may yung babae.
I don't know. I don't watch. I feel
okay,
like you...
Kuwento ko. Ito hindi ka nag-watch eh. Imbis na maganda na kwentong simple to, kukwento ko sa'yo, blow by blow. May narating na plumber. Tapos nakaganon sa ilalim ng sink. Yung lababo. Tapos yung babae nakatira doon, wala yung...
Hot ba yung plumber or pangit?
Hot mo. Doon nga sinasabi ko, yung plumber sa Amerika, hot.
Hindi, pero may nagsabi. Do you remember si Maria Ozawa?
Oo.
Anyway, basta ang sinabi niya, may na-reveal siya dun sa show ni Mo dati na sa PORN.
Sa porn yun.
Hindi tayo inaano dito. Para may bata tayo na. Huwag ka magmumura. Alam niya ang PORN.
Sa ganun daw, hindi pwedeng super attractive ng guy kasi hindi manonood yung viewers. Kailangan daw average looking or hindi ganun kapogi. Tapos mas maraming views yun.
I think that was before. Ngayon kasi, alam mo na.
Hindi daw dapat super hot. I think maybe na-insecure yung mga nanonood.
Total pinasok mo na yan si
Ozawa?
Ozawa. Of course, marami nang pumasok. Hindi, pinasok mo si Maria Ozawa.
She's a great person. She's a great person. She's a great person.
Oy, para makwento ko sa'yo, nung nasa Boracay ako, pauwi na ako sa, sabi niya, Alex, you were in Boracay? I'm here! Gusto kong pabalikin yung aeroplano. Pero ito, may kunento rin si Maria Ozawa. Ang, pala, yung actual porn, nagsisex sila, minsan, yung lalaki, minsan nagka-cam. So, ang gagawin, mag-break para makarecover yung lalaki. Kasi nakikita natin, di ba matagal? Minsan napapakam na yung lalaki, tapos kakat na lang. Para kunyari, ang tagal. Di ba? Parang ang tagal nila para ma-insecure ka. Tatagal naman ito yung pala, nagbe-break.
Tapos in between, para start up ulit siya, meron silang mga fluff girls ang tawag
May mga ganun, para maano ulit, maros. Napakasarap na trabaho yun.
Ewan ko.
Yung parang,
I don't know what I got myself into.
Hindi talaga pag ganun mo, nakaganon ka. Tandaan mo, yung guluhin yan dahil
Pero sa Japanese porn industry, kinakwento naman ng mga kaibigan natin. Yung kaibigan natin, comedian, na may mga barkadang porn, nagtatrabaho sa porn industry ng Japan. Ang hirap daw pag lalaki ka. Talaga, dahil yung pressure daw na mag-perform doon. Minsan daw nakakainan sila sa isang araw. Kasi kukunti ang lalaking actors eh. Kaya sila tumatanggap ng applicants.
Okay. So bumalik tayo sa plumber. Parang gano'n, may konting sexual tension.
Oo. Naka-sexy dress yung babae.
Naka-sexy dress yung babae. Tapos ang masalita nila, malinis na ba yung tubo? Parang gano'n. Nung wala tuloy ako sa isip ko, ayan, quotation natin yan. Pag-bounce tayo sa quotation, sa quotes. Ito pong programa na to ay naghihimay-himay po at in-depth analysis quotes para mabigyan natin ng paliwanag at maintindihan at magamit din, makatulong din na naghanap kayo ng quotes dahil meron kayo pinagdadaanan. Baka ito yung makatulong na quotes na ito dahil pasok sa pinagdadaanan.
Para siya ma-explain.
Yes. Of course, papasahin ito ng ating subject matter expert. Walang iba kundi ang representative ng BPI.
Okay.
Let's make it easy.
Ang nag-handle ng loans at new accounts. Mara Aquino.
Okay.
Mara here. How may I help you? Okay. All right. So I have to read that while taking off the coat.
Yes.
Okay. Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. Galit ako dun pag sabi ko dun.
Ang galit,
Just in case hindi mo
Alam mo, pag napanood ko ng MPL, sasabihin ng MPL, ulit na nga ulit natin si Mara.
We made
Napunta na sa BPI.
We made a mistake.
And, nakaraan na yun. That was so long
That
ago.
is so long ago.
Cheating is a choice.
3 days ago.
Yeah. Not a
Mara,
mistake.
cheating is a choice,
Okay.
not a mistake. Totoo ba yan?
Yes, it's a choice. When you cheat with somebody, you did that. You made that choice. You took the action. You put yourself in that situation. Can't be a mistake.
Paano pag halimbawa, lasing, ganun?
Well, you put yourself in a situation that you're going to be that way. You put yourself in a situation where you're vulnerable.
Hindi ako. Quotation yan eh.
Na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. May parang pinaparinggan na naman yung
Okay.
quote eh. Na mangyari.
So, ito yung sa akin. Let's say may partner ka. Okay? Your partner has no business drinking with the opposite sex. So, for example, boyfriend ko. Yung boyfriend ko, dapat hindi nakikipag-inuman sa babae. Kung may nangyari, fault niya yun because he allowed himself to be put in a situation where he be tempted and stuff happens that they have to take off their clothes.
Quick question. Gusto mo ba yung boyfriend mo makipag-inuman sa lalaki tapos may mangyari?
Kung may nangyari, that's his choice also.
Also.
May
Okay.
tanong ako. Kung nagpaalam ba, papayagan mo?
No.
So don't
Pero
pala.
wala namang, halimbawa, meeting, ganyan, or social gathering na.
Kung may social gathering, yes, that's
Okay
fine.
lang,
Because I cannot deny that the world is, we consist of both boys and girls, male and female organs. Okay, just for the politically, both organs.
Yes.
I don't know what to say anymore. Them.
Ang dami na nila.
Kape, pwedeng kape. Papayag ka.
yun.
Magkakape lang kami.
It depends on who. Is this a coworker? Is this somebody?
George ang pangalan.
No, but sa akin it depends. Tsaka for
Di ba
me,
George?
I'm lucky enough that my partner would consider how I feel and would not put himself in a situation where feelings would be developed. Once you put yourself in a situation and na magde-develop yung feelings mo, alam mo attracted ka sa person na to, pero you still keep on going out with them, that's your choice. So cheating, sometimes it doesn't happen overnight. It didn't happen just because you started drinking together. It happened because you made choices to strengthen this bond that you had with another person that is meant only for your partner dapat. You ended up sharing private stuff about you. You ended up turning to that person, your vulnerable side that dapat sa best friend mo sinabi or sa girlfriend mo sinabi or sa family mo sinabi. But instead, you said this, you shared this with someone else that's supposed to be meant for your partner. You're developing that. So that's a choice being made, maybe not just once, maybe not just one day, but it could have been for longer periods of time. So, that's your responsibility. That's your
Nararamdaman akong
choice.
puot
Pandi,
sa
kung
boses
lalaki
na.
lagi.
What's puot?
Choice. Bakit may...
Sounds-
Bakit may... Ano?
What's puot?
What's
Puot is...
Parang anger, parang fury, rage.
Rage.
Oo,
Pero
may pinanggagalingan.
kung ganun, kung total lalaki naman pinag-usapan mo sa choice, bakit may ladies' choice?
Every woman has a story. One of courage, resilience, and change. Some fought for truth. Some lifted a nation. Some built something bigger than themselves. But none of them waited for permission to be heard. This Women's Month, the Pod Network, in partnership with Hit Productions, honors Filipino women who spoke up, stood up, and changed the game. Because women who talk know how to listen. This is Hear Her Story. Risa Hontiveros, a woman who fights not just for herself, but for those without a voice. As a senator, she has stood at the front lines of the fight for women's rights, LGBTQ+ equality, and healthcare. She has faced opposition, criticism, and resistance, but she has never backed down. Because progress is not a given, it is demanded. And justice is not found, it is fought for. This is her story. This Women's Month, we celebrate voices that inspire. At the Pod Network, together with Hit Productions, we're proud to share these stories. Because every woman's journey deserves to be heard. Because women who talk know how to listen.
Hi, I'm Joelle. I talk for a living and I'm an overthinker. Life keeps going and the questions keep coming. But I hope you find comfort in the fact na hindi ka mag-isa. Ang dami nating overthinker, no? Sa ups and downs, twists and turns ng buhay, paano kung ituloy lang natin ang paghanap ng kasagutan? Ready? Tara! This is Joelle's Podcast. Paano kung? Powered by the Pod Network.
Di ba may, alam mo yung ladies' choice na palaman?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, that's her
Ano yun?
choice.
Ladies' choice o ladies' mistake? No, I'm joking. Ikaw ba, Maram? Magkukwento ko without naming names. Ikaw ba,
Got cheated on?
Hindi, may yan nga.
Yes.
Ganda ng pagkakasabi na, no? Got cheated on? Nag-iisip ako parang, have you been cheated? Parang, tapos sabi nila ko, got cheated on? Tapos na pagkakasabi na gano'n lang pala yung got cheated. Ay, inisip ko, have you been, experienced being, like, being cheated? Ang daming proseso ng isip ko. Tapos, got cheated on? Yun lang pala. Got cheated on lang pala. Have you got cheated on?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Matagal na.
The one before my current boyfriend, he cheated on me with 3 girls that I know of. I don't know what I want.
Ba't umabot sa 3?
Mistake yun.
Oo.
Bakit pag once?
Ako tingin ko, yung first mistake,
No.
tapos yung sumunod na dalawa, choice
It
mo
is
na.
not a mistake. How is it a mistake that you put your pants down, put your penis in another hole?
Okay, penis. Okay. Tatlo.
Paano yung ano?
Pinatawad mo ba siya nung una? Tama ba?
Paano pag no choice?
I found out all at the same time.
Oh, mabigat to.
And
Tatlo?
I tried,
Mabigat.
the stupid part sa akin is I tried to forgive him afterwards.
Your mistake.
That's my stupidity.
Forgiveness.
That's my stupidity. Because him cheating made me feel like there was something wrong with me and maybe I wanted to.
Ang galing.
Common reaction ng ladies.
no. Afterwards, it's like, if you're willing to put yourself in a situation where somebody does that to you and you're willing to take them back, there's something wrong with your self-love, that you don't respect yourself enough to allow them back in your life, and you're teaching that person that it's okay to treat me this way because all you have to do is make me feel bad, do that, and I'll take you back. There are certain scenarios like that na hindi na dapat. So, you teach people how to treat you, and that's not acceptable. Once that happens, dapat alis ka na. Because that's not okay. And just because you got back together doesn't mean things will be better. There's grudges. Maybe after a year. After a year, pag na-learn na yung mistake, but not right away. And you know, there are some people that parang...
Sandali lang. Ito, sinabihan ko na. Di ba nagpunta tayo dun sa City Angel sa Baguio? Tapos yung ka-table mo, may ka-table na iba. Sabi ko sa'yo, kunin ulit eh. Naghihintay ka pa.
It was never the same nga.
Never the same. Hintay mo lasing na. Tapos yung pabango ng lalaki, nasa pabango na tapos kinuha mo pa.
Pabango ng lalaki yun.
Natututo yan, Mara.
What?
Nagka-table yan.
The other guy just has more money.
Oh, see?
Pero sinabi naman kasi, parang sa Jollibee, willing to wait, sir.
You are not an option.
It's Mara.
You are not an
explain ko lang to.
option. You can be not number 1, but the only
Hindi, number
one.
17 nga yung babae.
Only one.
Miss Mara.
Did you know you're my favorite?
Pero walang love na nangyayari to. Na parang you make it sound like na parang kawawa ka naman, na-hurt ka doon sa beer house. Wala pong...
Talaga naman, tapos tatlong labae na nahuli mo, tatlong sunod-sunod. Pinagbigyan mo,
Sabay-sabay ka
Nalaman ko at the same time.
Yung tatlo,
Grabe.
Yeah, nalaman ko.
nahuli mo sa acto, yung act.
Tinitake?
No, but I saw, nung nalaman ko na, tapos nag-exchange kami ng phones, nakita ko yung mga videos. Yeah, sabi ko,
That's his mistake.
Sa akin, bigyan mo yung phone mo. So, binigyan niya yung phone niya. Akala niya hindi ko makikita. Nag-exchange kami ng phone.
Oh. If we have an exchange of phone.
But you know what? I'm glad that person did that because that's the wrong person for me. And if I didn't find out that he cheated on me, I would have probably stayed with him.
Saka hindi mo makilala yung boyfriend.
Exactly. So good thing he had to hurt me so badly that I had no choice but to move on. And I found such a great person, the best guy I've ever met in my life.
You were led to
Buti
him.
na lang kamo, nung isa kong yung babaeng nakilala ko.
Sino?
Nag-cheat siya sa akin.
Ano? Sorry?
Nag-cheat siya.
Oo.
Tapos, buti na lang, may asawa ako. So, hindi masyado
Nakakainis
masakit.
ka.
Joke lang yun, Mara!
I met your wife.
I know!
I like your wife.
No, I like her too!
Nag-cheat siya.
Kapapit to dito. Joke yung iba dito.
Sometimes I can't
Dapat
tell
dito
if it's a
pumupula
joke.
ilaw eh.
Tapos every morning pinapadala niya ng pagkain si Alex, inaalagaan
ganun
niya.
naman talaga.
Tapos ang lahat ng titi ko.
Alex! I am not from Viva Max.
Hindi.
Sorry. Yung boy mo nag-cheat eh. Ako nagsabi na ng titi.
Ex-boy.
Ex-boy. Oh, si ex. Oh. Uy, by the way, nanood nga pala. Pero 2 months ago nga pala, hindi namin napagkwento dahil siyempre, advance yung episode. No? Kagabi, nanood kami ng sine ni Israel. Advance, XX Lover, Julina and Marvin. Nagawa kami ng kamay dalag.
Sabi namin, anong ginagawa natin dito?
Totoo ba to? I can't tell
Ano siya?
Si Direk Antoinette.
Tinawag kami ni Direk Anthony. Antoinette. Sorry, Anthony Daune. Antoinette Daune. Siya yung nagsulat ng movie.
Siya nagsulat ng produce.
Nag-produce din. And then, comeback movie siya ni Julina and Marvin.
Babango ba siya?
Hindi ko siya inamoy.
Kasi, Downey.
Had down. Okay.
Naiintindihan ang ex nito eh.
Kamag-anak siya ni Robert. How Downey Jr. Robert How Downey Jr.
Yun, ko yung panoorin niyo yung XX Lovers ng 2 months ago.
XX Lovers. Baka mamaya nasa streaming sites na yan.
Utang ina nyo.
Ang ganda kasi siya, throwback talaga siya noong 90s.
Sabi Direk, nag-promote ba kayo? Nag-promote kami.
2 months after. 2 months after.
Sabi si Mara ka nag-predict eh. Bala sa Netflix na to, si Balmale mo.
Baka nasa Netflix na ba?
XX Lover.
Pero I have to talk about the quote again.
Okay naman. Mabalik tayo. Pinagkakalma ka lang namin. Pinapakalma ka lang namin.
May naman nagkukusan na
nag-joke kayo. Hindi ako pwede mag-joke. Yung XX Lovers, ang ganda ng theme song nila.
Okay.
XX Lovers. XX Lovers. Sana tumasulitin sa itong podcast na to. Ginagawa na namin lahat ng comedy. Pagtanga. Lahat na tinatarget namin din sa podcast na to.
Bigyan ng award! Bigyan ng award! Okay, ito yung award mo. And the best comedy podcast goes to Alex Calleja!
Yes! Ina nyo,
Ay, manifesting yun. Manifesting.
Balik tayo sa quote.
Okay. Nag-gano na ng
Pero cheating is a choice, not a mistake.
Yes. Also, yung ibang dahilan. Okay, uunahan ko na kayo. Yung iba, kasi nagkakaproblema kami ng partner ko. Diba? Yung iba ganun eh. That's the reason why they cheated. Because they're having problems with their partner. And then the effort became, sana nilagay mo yung effort mo sa pag-fix ng relationship mo kesa...
hindi niya makausap kasi galit lagi yung inihaharap kaysa maayos.
Ay, pucha, ino nakakarinig to, gago.
Oo, men.
Imbis na patahimikan mo na si Mara.
Kakausapin mo? Aawayin ka?
Sagutin mo.
Pupunta ka dun sa work wife or work husband. Kaya nade-develop yung work wife, work husband.
ba't di mo na lang hiniwalayan?
Yeah? Sorry, sino? Yung work wife, work husband?
No, ba't di mo na lang yung
gusto
partner mo?
Gusto mo ayusin.
But going to cheat, you're taking steps na hindi maayos. You're taking further steps na mag-crumble.
Sandali. Uy, bakit hindi kayo mga lalaki kayo? Saan na pupunta dyan? Bakit tinatamaan kayo?
Paano ba yung cheating? Pag may nangyari na? Or pag kinakausap mo pa lang, cheating na ba yun? Paano ba?
When you
confide your problems sa ibang...
When you're investing, even emotionally, to somebody...
Emotional cheating.
Let's say... Even that, you have an emotional investment to somebody that you're attracted to and you can possibly have a relationship with, that's cheating.
Oh. Alam ni Miss Mara yun, investment to sa BPI siya.
Yeah. How may I help you?
Tama.
BPI. Totoo naman yan.
Okay, na-cover na naman. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yan kasi
ang dami tinatama.
Ang lalain nyo na, mga pa. Unang-una, ba't
mistake yan, deliberate yan.
Ang haba-haba ng
That is not a mistake. Saying it's a mistake is you don't want an accountability.
Mistake yung pagkakasabi kong...
You have to be responsible.
Choice. Ano talaga yun? Choice yun. Kasi diba yung mga pelikula, naikot ko sinasabi yung pelikula, diba, pag nagigising lasing, tapos katabi niya babae, tapos lasing, tapos sasabihin ng lalaki,
hindi ko alam kung nangyari.
Hindi ko alam kung nangyari sa atin. Ano, titi mo na lang gano'n.
And you put yourself in that situation. Why did you drink with her in the first place? Why Why did you invite her to your place? Why did you go to her place? There's a series of actions that were taken before you ended up fornicating.
Oo na nga, Mara, tama nga.
Pwede naman hindi your place or my place. Pwede naman sa Sogo.
Ka-absorb na nga, joke na nga na namin para hindi na nga lumala eh. Balik ka naman ng balik doon sa topic na yan.
Ay, yun yung ano, nataanta kayo nasa screen.
Okay na nga eh.
Cheating, kaya niya
Okay na nga eh.
sinabi.
Okay na nga, tama na nga eh. Alam mo yung lalaki, wala naman sabi na uli. Oo nga. Oo nga eh. Siyempre, nahulog din ako kahit paano eh.
You're not a child.
Hindi na ako may pagkita. Oo.
Pero ikaw, honestly, you can say na wala ka naramdaman na kahit napag-isipan mo lang na
Me?
Kausapin ko kaya itong isang, kasi hindi kami maayos ito, kausapin ko kaya ito. Ano mo yun?
Na ako attracted to another person. I am so blinded sa partner ko always na never nangyari ang cheating. I'm so invested in my partner.
Ako rin, pare. May pagpinagalitan ako. Sabihin ko, paano yan? Di pa alisin mo na lang yung maid natin. Kasi, siyempre, isang bahay natin.
Ang weird no? Yung mga they have an affair with their maid.
Oo naman.
Then nakatira sila together. Tapos, that's so weird.
Paano weird yun? Di ba ano yun? Parang, tipid na yun eh.
Tipid na lalaki yun.
Isang step na yung natanggal eh.
That is so weird.
Yung gamit din yung bahay, di ba pag
Weird nga yun.
Tapos yung pala kasama mo na yung girl na...
Di ba? Kung hindi nagustuhan yung regalo mo sa misis mo, bibigay mo sa
kanya. Okay na.
Tapos nag-role-playing. Sinusuot yung damit ni misis.
Ang role-playing mo talaga siya. Kunyari ko si Josie. Meet natin yan. Kunyari nga ikaw yun.
Kumari lang. Sige na.
Sabi ni Josie, okay lang, te.
Oh my God.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Napakagandang cheating is a choice, not a mistake. Totoo naman yan. Kaya gusto na namin pagtalunan. Kita niyo naman ang haba ng quote last week. Ang ikli na usapan natin. Ito, cheating is a choice. Pero si Mara, triggered.
Gagawin ba naman sa iyo? Diyos ko.
Yan, Mara, magpupumo tayo. Patuloy pa rin po ang podcast ni Mara na wala pa po, hindi pa namin alam.
Hindi pa nagsisimula, but by this time.
Yes, at bago mong venture, bago mong project ngayon, promote mo.
Yes. I hope you watch the future show that I produced.
Yes, see?
Nasa tayo parang Marvel. Nasa, anong tawag doon?
Multiverse.
Nasa quantum. Nasa multiverse tayo ngayon. We entered the quantum realm and we fast forwarded to the future.
Yan, alexcalleja.com and thecomedycrew.com. May mga podcast tayo, Punchline with Alex Calleja. Ay, ito pala yun. Good Times with Mo, Good Times Radio, and Bagong Pilipino. Yan po. Israel, para rin.
At Comedy Crew PH po, FB and IG.
Yan. Dito po sa Punchline with Alex Calleja, when they cross the line, give them the punchline, spread the laughter, not the virus. Happy to serve.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.